So here they are now, up the pole, amongst the tree, one on my ladder, and one connecting us up to the mains electricity. I don't know what she's doing. What's she doing?
Put the back in and out.
Yes, we've got the two wires, look. So we've got the new wires. So he will connect it all up there. Come over here, flick the switch, and everything will work. What's the chances? Everyone else has got their electricity. It's just us now, all in pitch darkness. He's cutting the tree back so he can get to the wiring. You think they'd cut that tree right back? Because that goes to quite a few houses. Most importantly, goes to Amanda's house. Doing some serious pruning here. Right, let's plug in the wire up now. Off a banana tree. That's it, it's above the banana tree now. Oops, stop watching what I was videoing. There's the second wire, still in the banana tree. That's it, it's above. There's our two wires. Soon we'll be all hooked up. So they just have to finish hooking this one up, and then the moment of truth when he hits the master switch, I suppose. That's it. That's all connected up. And they've got to connect that to a meter so they can charge us. I'll leave them to it. Amanda's playing silly buggers with a torch. Well, now nobody's got lights. He's cut everyone off. So it's just going to connect the wire up. A couple of screws or bolts or whatever they are. So anyone that was watching porn on the TV, just on the vinegar stroke, they've cut it off for them. Must be close to flicking the switch now. Obviously they're trying to get a move on with this part because other people have been cut off as well. Oh, we've got their lights back on in the next door garden over there. So something has come on. Neighbours have got their lights on. So I think it's just a matter of them flicking the switch over here. So here they come. You're going to flick the switch. Okay, it's tripping out all of the trip switches. And we have light. So yeah, we're up and running. Very bright in there.
Very nice.
You like, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really good.
All well lit up. Now you can see the extent of the work we got to do. Now the lights are working. Yeah, lights all round. I'm not even going to bother going upstairs, or maybe I should. Let's go and check. I'm just going to poke my head up there. Okay, so we've got lights all round there. Lights in the small rooms. So yeah. And last night they left the windows open and the pigeons got in. Yeah. All working, I think. So one last thing to check is the bedroom. Whoa, it's bright in here. It is bright. As you can see, we got a new mattress arrived. Just waiting for the bed. We have a switch by the bed. All good. So yeah, all good. We have light, let there be light. They got a bit of a tidy up to do. Clear out all of the old electrics and they will be done here. Work out the full price tomorrow. But yeah, that's another job nearly done. So it's nearly 9 o'clock in the evening and they're still working on the electrics. I think, not sure, they're sorting out lights for our new little roofing area, our new little lean-to. I think they run the wiring in. They are. So maybe they'll, I don't know whether they're going to finish that one tonight or they're coming back to finish it, I don't know. So anyway, we have light, which is very good. And there's Amanda sweeping up, keeping everything nice and tidy. We have light. What do you think? Good? It looks nice, yeah. Now we have to clear the place out and make it look nice.
How many kilos you take?
Far.
Yeah.
Oh, you want to check, dear? Because I know I've got to be down now. See, how much does the phone weigh? Let's have a look. So we got the scales that she got free from Sriracha. $84.3. 84.3. I'm Pumpy.
Be happy. Babe, happy, finish.
So he plays a tune on the electrical pipe. Hey, my new friend has turned up. I've called him Tony. Tony. Oi. Tony, are you thirsty? It's not like we haven't got any water. And Tony is a nice dog. Not sure what he is. Hello, mate. What do you want? What do you want? You want first, don't you? Hey? You want first. All right, Tone. Tony the dog. I have another one to introduce you to at some stage. Going to call him Charlie, the other one. But Tony, he seems to have taken to me. Seems quite a nice dog. Actually belongs to Amanda's sister. And he wouldn't even come near me to start with. Growled at me whenever. But now, just wants fuss. Just wants fuss, don't you, mate? Hey? Yeah. Okay, I'll leave you alone. So what do you think to my new best friend, Tony? Showing me his ass.
Yeah.
อันหลังบอดมึงอันนี้เขาอันนี้ค่าของลาแล้วนี่ป้าให้แล้วมันสิติบวก253อันนี้ค่าแรงบอดแล้วนี่มันก็สิเหลือเท่านี้เพราะป้าหัก2ออกจาก253อันนี้ก็600นี่200อันนี้รายจ่ายอันนี้จ่ายอันนี้ติด
อยู่กับเขาชี้
2,300อย่าติด500ป้าบ่ได้ลงอันนั้นลาดแบ่งกัน2คนเด้ออันนี้นับ21300แล้วก็บวกอีก500นับเกิน
บ่นับ
อันพี่ยังสี่เห็นตัว
เอามา
คือจัง
ถ่าย
ตอ
รู
น
ป
แรก
มาถ่ายรูปเว็บ
Yes, okay. Cop and cab. Thank you very much.
เทคนิเชียน
Both technicians, electrical.
แอนเวฟ
ถ่ายรูป
เยี่ยม
เยี่ยม
เวลี่ไน
Thank you.
thank you so much ขอบคุณครับขอบคุณค่ะนับกันเด้อเพราะว่าจะเอาหล่อๆตามคน
ยืนก็ได้ดอก
อย่าบังเสา
ยืนก็ได้
โอ้ยบอสข่าวผู้เดียวเมีย
สายไฟใส่เลย
Hey, what I want to know, one of you supports Arsenal.
อาร์เซนอล
Arsenal.
โอ้ไอ
Gunners, Gunners.
ครับ
ไอแฟนคลับแมนเชส
You.
เตอร์
Man City.
โน้
คือไปเรื่องฟุต
โจ
บอล
ซีโร่
Lucky.
โอเคครับ
Cop and cab.
ครับ
Cop and cab.
เวลคัมเวลคัม
Cop and cab. Thank you very much.
thank you
คนเดียวเห็นโนอลีหวาน
ข้าวอยู่กับพี่กันมาเดี๋ยวนี่เตอร์ถ่ายรูปน้ำแน่ถ่ายรูปน้ำเดี๋ยวพาพี่ก่อน
สวัสดีค่ะที่นี่เป็นหน้าบ้านนะคะชิปเด็บกำลังเอาอ้อยให้ช้างนะคะ
So you eat that first. One more. Finish. Yeah. Thank you.